Hey guys, welcome to Dubai Exhibition Center. So this is the AI exhibition. Very nice.
Receive experiences in this portfolio session. I think that's similar to what we experience every day. Like when you message somebody, you don't reply in a few hours, you're
That
like,
is my
hey,
wife.
I'm doing
Say
a lot
hi.
of business. So I think this really matters here in the United. So what we do is we turn these business messages into your biggest revenue channel. And of course, we're a global company, and here are some of the G2 badges. But I'll just pick up, like the leaders, the high performers in different regions, and I think that's important. So what we are is we are an AI-driven business messaging channel. Very quick
Hi guys, we are working the robot right now. Something is not my side of how you can see we are talking about besides the 4-year-olds how to code and how to do it.
How do you automate these steps so that you can focus on the important things? With Wati, you can launch new workflows within minutes, so it's extremely simple. You can also automate these complicated workflow very easily. In fact, our local chat prompt loader, what you can do is you can automate 200 steps within that canvas, right? So it's extremely simple, and I'll also show some videos. So starting with, I think, engagement, which is important, and then later on I'll also talk about how to engage with your customers on an ongoing basis from a marketing perspective. So one thing, I don't know if you guys are familiar, is that something called ads that click to WhatsApp. And this is a game changer for marketers. I really, truly encourage all of you to try. Right now it has limited deliverability. And what that means is, like, say you go online and you search like, oh, I wanted a florist in Dubai. Then when you place an ad, you can actually send a WhatsApp immediately. And you can do that both on an Instagram or like a Meta platform, as well as YouTube. And Wati is actually one of the leaders who have signed an exclusive contract with us today, that we're the only company in the world that can also optimize for both, right? Meaning, if you copy a lead, and that data obviously is off the Google or Meta right now, but it's in WhatsApp, you're able to send that signal back and tell them, like, hey, find more of these customers who are really good leads, right? So we can automate that process really easily. And of course, like I said, the algorithm that does that. So, instead of giving the right go to the website.
Winning against the chess world champion, translate efforts. The second wave were already neural systems, deep learning, neural networks, lots of layers, but they were able to do one thing by training in a supervised way on application data. They either could translate or drive a car, or they could answer questions, or they could recognize faces, but they could never do two things. And the third wave is then Gen AI that you now heard almost too much about in the last days. It all started in 2017 with a transformer model by a group of anglers. And this transformer model had as an innovation something that I will explain in a moment more. It could be trained on very simple tasks, but it read so many data, so much data, that then by reading it, it became smarter and could do other tasks that it was never trained. That's why we call these models also foundation. There are some
science, yeah.
So what's different in Gen AI? Before AI, you could put some input in and you got something out, and what you got out was either the same size or smaller than what you put in. It would be the same size if you translate something or change it. Usually it was smaller as a position or things like that.
Yeah, so this was the movie that they're gonna try to remember that TV that we saw, that Sony, the way they were playing the movie. So now it's coming out like this. But now it's starting to be too much. It's not giving.
So we want to have secure access to the environment. We also protect data processing. And finally, as you
Emotional and also soul.
You're saying you come from here, I come from here as well. You can press
Oh, he's controlling
دكتور علي
And this is the owner company. You can earn a company. Erica.
بس عيشة عبال هو التاكس الدوام معنا يعني
Yeah.
Okay, so it would be. Yeah.
Or are you looking?
Yeah. Oh, this is ice cream. Like one for ice cream. Non, mais lui parle de la vérité.
Non, la réalité, ça va. Bon, ils disent que la probabilité qu'ils frappent pas les
Before I go into a further assessment, I want you to turn to your neighbor and just introduce yourself. Just say your name, introduce yourself. Take 2 seconds. Okay, that's it. As simple as that was, as simple as that was, it was also difficult. You know why? Because in the age of AI innovation, we've lost, in some aspects, the opportunity to focus on the human dynamics, the relationship aspect that drives innovation. Innovation will not evolve if we're not even able to do the simplest thing, such as turn to my neighbor and say hello. How are you? Which brings us to empathy. I noticed when I asked some of you to turn to each other, it seemed a little awkward at first. And it shouldn't have been. We're all humans. We're all involved in the process of evolution. We all aspire for so much more regardless of where we are living from. That's the beauty of AI. AI is fostering an opportunity for collaboration, but we should not lose sight of the empathy that comes along with it, of the human engagement. When we do that, we subconsciously get into the possibility of being able to empathize with building upon innovation, because everything is behind
I tam przecież możesz podkreślić.